How to navigate our forums here at Eagles Club. I want to do a really quick tutorial, just going over the basics about our website here. I don't have a whole lot of time to put into this. I'm using a free version, so sorry about the quality. I know it's not very good, but it should give you an idea of what's going on. Every time you go to another page, you just click here. You can come back to the home page, which will bring you to the front page here of the forum. Everything else up here is pretty self-explanatory. Just click on that. It takes you to the world clock, calendar. Here you get some drop-down menus here. When you click on, don't click on it, just hover over club rules. You can click on any of these. Gives you the tournament rules, club guidelines, coordinators of who's the moderators, the owners, etc. Click directly on the bank. It explains everything about that. Here you get a little trickier. Just hover over this. It brings you down a lot of drop-down menus. You can click on those. If you click directly on ECGA majors, it will bring you up to what the majors is all about, all the rules, how to qualify. Frequently asked questions brings you up to a menu that tells you what happens if you change tiers during the tour event or the major. It's very important. Score reporting is the most important thing here for tour events and majors. If you do not report your scores, you will not receive credit. Once you report your score, hit submit, it will ask you, or before you hit submit, it will ask you for your all the information and everything. You just fill in all that, put your email address that you want confirmation number email to go to, and it will send a confirmation email. If you do not receive that confirmation email, check your spam, junk folder, or contact Colloqui immediately as soon as you can, and I'll take care of that. This here tells you why we report our scores and what if you forget. It's very important. This is only the tour events and the majors. Other tournaments on here require you to report scores too, but that's pretty much in their header when they create the tournaments. It will tell you. Members, Hall of Fame, membership card, everything here is self-explanatory. You just hover over this. It brings you down drop-down menus. You can click on any of these down here. ATWT is a tournament that's running right now, and you just click on that, and it tells you everything. You report your opponent's scores, and they report yours, and it has a list of courses that you'll play. Same thing here. You just click on that. It tells you everything about this tournament that's going on. Club championships almost over, so that'll be replaced with something else. If you want to find a member, you just click up here and you type in the member's name. You can also, I have it as a drop down. Just type in their name here. I'll do this because it's just short because I'm trying to get through this video. Hit search. It'll bring up that member's name. If you click right here on their profile, it'll bring you up. You can private message them. It's easier than going through the compose message. Hit the subject there, type in your message, and hit send message. You see, if you get messages, they'll be in this category here. It'll be a 1 or a 2. It'll be a blue 1, 2, 3, however many messages you have, and you can click on it by there, or you can go over here where it has howdy in your name, and it'll bring it down here to the inbox, and show you what messages you sent and what messages you received, and you can just click on that. It'll bring you up to the messages that you received, sent, and you can compose from here, but I usually go up here and type their name in and do it the way I just showed you just a few seconds ago. So I'm going to go ahead and hurry up and go down here to show you some other things here in the forum. The hide show header, if that's off, you don't see anything, click that and you'll be able to go. It'll show you the topics that were done since your last visit, and you can click on those if you missed something since your last visit. It should be in here. You can search forums here, put what you're looking for, hit search forum, and it'll take you to where you want to go. This is a shortcut to the score reporting, and right now we're finishing up round 4 of that. It's still open right now, but it'll be closing here in about 15 minutes. This shows the same thing as clicking on this tab here. Gives you all that information here on a scrolling marquee. This is the score reporting itself. Put your name here. If this was the first time, if not, you put the date that you were here, that you joined the club. This here, put your tier in there. From the it's all self-explanatory here. I'm just going to go through this real quick. Did you change tiers? If you change tiers, you'll still report it as the previous tier that you were in, that you started round one in, and then you go down here and you would put, yes, I changed tiers. If you didn't, then just hit no. You put your score that you from that round, and then put your email in here. And you'll hit submit, and it will send you a confirmation email. Check your spam or junk folders. If you don't get it, notify me immediately. We have a Facebook account here. Just click on that to take you to the Facebook. It's a link to that. Moving right on along here, everything here is pretty much self-explanatory. Just go through, and each one has its own category. Sorry for the quality of this video, but it's the best that I can do right now until I get a camera that I can do this from. I'm going to go through here and show you how to start a thread. Go here to introductions. When you first join the club, you'll click on that to bring you up to there. Hit new topic. Once you hit new topic, you can put your subject here, write whatever you want, who you are, explain a little bit about yourself. Down here you really can't see it too good because I got this window closed down. So there's three choices here. You can choose a file to take you to your desktop, and you can put a photo in here, and then just down below that is a submit right under the down here under the images. It'll say submit. Just submit that, and it'll start a new topic. And there's one that some people don't really know about. If you're replying to a message, like in here, I will let me just bring up something really quick here, and I will show you. If you go down all the way down to the bottom, there will be a quick reply. You can type in anything there, but it does not give you options to add a picture in that way. So what I do is go up here, hit reply. If you hit reply from there, it gives you that option, and you can add up to 3 images. It's a lot simpler than going through and trying to post a picture the other way. It's a lot simpler to go hit reply up on the top. I think that's pretty much it for now, other than the shout box. You go over here, type your name in just like here, and then you put the name you go by right here. If you want to put message, just write your message in here, so your WGT name with your real name right next to it, so people know what to call you. You hit the plus sign here, brings you up to the little smiley faces. If you want to have a pop-up shout box, it's really cool, because when you're playing WGT, you just click that, and you can actually move the shout box all around while you're playing WGT, and you can sit there and chat while you're playing the game without having to go back to a website all the time. So that's a pretty cool feature. If you want to clear your personal data, just click this here, and it'll ask you up here, you sure you want to clear it. It just clears out your name here. If not, it should save it each time you come back. Our website works best with either Google Chrome or Firefox. It works with Internet Explorer, but a lot of people have problems with Internet Explorer showing our website, so we kind of, there's a little article in there about that also, about what websites work the best. IE seems to give us the hardest time. Everything else seems to work pretty well. Some players have no problem with Internet Explorer, and others have a major problem with it. So anyway, I hope that helped out. I hope I didn't go too fast, and I hope I didn't really miss anything. Just the main things were the drop down menus here that you can go and find things here. So that was pretty much what I wanted to do. Again, I'm sorry for the quality of this, but I'll try to get a better video up here as soon as I can. Thank you all.